Okay, so today we're going to learn how to evaluate integrals two different ways in the calculator. The first way is the home screen. So I want you to write these 3 steps on your packet. So we're going to pause the video here so you can write them down. Now, the 9F int button, you need to input these 4 requirements for the calculator to understand what you're asking for. So we're going to try that with this problem. This problem is not written in your packet. You can write it down now off on the side. The expression is the equation. So we put x plus 1 here. Our variable is x. We're differentiating with regards to x. And our lower limit is 1, and our upper limit is 4. So I'm going to hit the math button, and then I'm going to go down and choose choice 9. I'm going to type x plus 1, comma, x, okay, x plus 1, x, comma, 1, comma, 4, and close the parenthesis. We're going to hit enter, and it tells us that this integral is equal to 10.5. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to do it using a graph. So we're going to pause the video again for you to copy down these 6 steps in this note. We're going to do number 1 together using the 6 steps for the graph. So I'm going to go to y equals, and I'm going to type in the equation x. So that was step 1. Now I'm going to go to my graph, and my window here is not great, so I'm going to hit window, and I'm going to look, our integral's from 0 to 1, so I'm going to look from -2 to 5. And then for my y's, we'll do -3 to 3. Okay, so we're going to then do second, trace for the calculate menu. And choice 7 is the integral of f of x. Now the calculator is saying lower limit as a question. Our lower limit is 0. I'm going to hit enter. And it says upper limit. I'm going to hit 1, enter. And it draws in the shaded area, which is our integral. And it tells us down here at the bottom that this equals 1/2. Now to be able to do number 2, we either need to clear y1 or use the draw menu to clear the drawing. Because we're just going to go on and do number 2, I'm going to hit y equals, and I'm going to clear it. I'm going to input the 2x plus 1. I'm going to set my window. The y max is not going to be high enough. If I plug in 3 to the equation, my highest y value is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So let's look up to 10. Then we're going to go to second trace for the calculate menu. Choice 7. My lower limit is 0. My upper limit is 3. It colors it in and tells us the area is 12. So now you can choose either way, using the graph or using the home screen, to finish the remaining problems that are on this paper. All of the answers are on the following page, so you can check to be sure that you entered them in right. Make sure you have all of these steps written down so that you are able to choose the right buttons when you're looking to find all these integrals.